Jai Shivrai guys, today is a day 17 of our technical growth challenge, and today we are going to learn Docker, Jenkins and Maven. So we have installed all these three in our code. So we'll discuss today. So first of all we have to install the Docker desktop. I have, you can refer my Medium blog also for the all the steps. So here you can check Docker desktop link is there. So after downloading the Docker desktop you will see screen like this. Okay, see Docker desktop here. I already created one image, so it is showing you here. Okay, my Jenkins image. Now what you have to do, Docker version in the CMD. Okay, you have to call this Docker version. Okay, so here it is showing Docker version 28.0.1. Okay, so now what you have to do after this one, see now you can check whether you have to pull the images for that your Docker image. So now I already have the image, so here it will show you the Jenkins image. Wait a second. See, Jenkins image. Okay, image is up to date. Now we got image. Okay, this image Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins image. Now now next step is, see, you have to run the Jenkins containers. Okay, so we already run the container, so it is running. You can see 4 hours before it is running 50,000 Jenkins. So this on this port we have run the image. Okay, now you have to access the UI, Jenkins UI. See here we have already accessed the Jenkins UI with the localhost 9090 port, localhost 9090 port. Now you have to take the initial password while the login. So what you can do, see here you will get initial password. Okay, see initial password. So initial password is generated. This password you can take and you can log in into the Jenkins. Now I already created one pipeline here. Okay, for sample I created one pipeline. Okay, in this you can check in the configuration, just sample, it is a sample test. Okay, for testing whether it is running or not. So I created this pipeline. Okay, see here Maven clean, just Maven clean install command I have given. Just see this one, Maven clean install command. So that I tried here, then it is working. Okay, see for fifth attempt it was working. So you can check the output here, the end. Okay, build success. Now what is our current like today's task? So this microservices build we have to run, and in the microservices build what is our today's task? So we see now no services are running, order, payment and user. So every time we have to do like this. See, run as a Maven clean or Maven install for everyone. So it is taking time because manual run. So what we have to do here, see here we can configure everything. So I created one new item, and in that new item I have given the name of microservices build. In the microservices build we have configured the user, order and payment services. See, so I took the code from GitHub. Okay, so from GitHub I took the code. So this repository you can use, and see this repository I have used. Okay, github.com microservices AI growth challenge dot git. Okay, so this I have configured here, and after that, see here I have given the stages for order service, Maven clean install, then payment service, then for user service. So after this it will take the syntax and it will run. So select, we have selected here user groovy sandbox, and internally what you have to do, see internally in the manage Jenkins, in the tools you can check whether you, you have git given or not Maven. So I have given here the path for Maven 3.8.7. So this way you have to give the Java also. So here I have given the JDK 17. So this way you have to, this configuration you have to do. Now I will run this build. Okay, so meanwhile I will run this build. So see here it is running, console output, see it is running. now you can check here. So I'm running the user service and user payment and order through this one. Okay, Maven clean install, now it is running. Same I have tested here also before running this one, whether in the order services whether it is working or not. In the order service I have gone in the order services in the Jenkins for that particular image, and I run this. Okay, it is working. So that just for like testing purpose. So here you can check, so it is running. So meanwhile I will create one more instance. Here you can check pipeline overview. See, so previously ran the like instance, we'll check here. See, currently it is running. Okay, now it is running order service. So meanwhile I will tell you. See here the steps are checkout, builds, order service, payment service, user service, docker, then it is post action, then it is creating the image. So here now build success for order service. Okay, order service. Now we are getting the it is getting compiling the payment service. So we will check here the payment service. Okay, now you can check here. So 23rd instance is running. So we have run this pipeline. Okay, see it is running. Okay, running, you can check here it is running. Okay, so meanwhile I will check. Okay, payment service, it is loading. So in the one click we can it is just a Maven clean install command, but you can give any command so that it will be helpful for the Jenkins. So this is the Jenkins, and this one is a Docker desktop, and Maven already we have installed. Okay, some issues will occur at that time. You can check my blog here how to install Maven, how to what which type of configuration you have to give. So which type of error I got. Okay, how I resolve that error. So this error also I have given here. You can check the Jenkins, here it is running. Okay, you can check the logs here in the console. Okay, see now payment service also done. Okay, order service also, order service also done, payment service also done, and now user service it is running. And you can check here. Okay, you can, for all the steps you can check my full blog, it will be really helpful for you. And you can check my daily commits also. I am committing everything here. Okay, you can take the daily screenshot also if you want. Everything you can take, it is github, on github it is available. And you can download the Docker desktop, it will be really helpful for you. Now you can see, we'll check. Okay, user service it is done or not. See, zero errors. So I think finally it will work. So whatever we are running here, we can use this one. Slowly we will add Kubernetes and all the parts also, so that we will create multiple instances of that images. So here you can see the build we got success. Okay, so here you can see we got success here, 23 one. Okay, so so you can also try this one, Jenkins, for CI/CD. Definitely it will be helpful for the deployment and development process, CI/CD. We'll tomorrow we'll try some different things in the Docker image we'll create, and we'll try to add all the things in through the code. Okay, so we'll try that one. Thank you, thank you guys.